How to make your wife angry from different countries. Portugal, stare at other girls. Russia, no texting back. Turkey, talk with your ex. Germany, outing without her. Belgium, appreciate private parts of other girls. Canada, stop receive calls. Brazil, prank her with sleeping with other girl. Pakistan, appreciate her sister. Vietnam, insult her dressings. Sri Lanka, forget anniversary. Bangladesh, threat her for second marriage. Iran, kiss her in public. Singapore, don't wish her birthday. Indonesia, watch porn movies. Philippines, careless her. UK, month without shopping. Mexico, stop romance with her. South Korea, liking girl pics. Ukraine, be busy in work. New Zealand, celebrate success without her. Estonia, insult her in front of everyone. Italy, steal her eating pizza. South Africa, come soon. Switzerland, flirt with her sister. Iraq, too much drinking. Afghanistan, too much sex. France, extreme usage of social media. Greece, don't celebrate children's birthday. Australia, live with in-laws. India, appreciate others' wife. USA, don't satisfy her in bed. Egypt, swear her parents. Zechaya, late night work. Venezuela, don't fulfill her needs. Romania, hide secrets. Netherlands, forget her plans. Malaysia, hit her head when she is unaware. Algeria, don't bring birthday gift for her. Saudi Arabia, smoking in front of her. Hungary, forget her birthday.